This is Darrell Scott. The knowledge tip from CS3 today is to show you how the new Reverse Applications task in Sage 500 ERP works. This new task can save you a lot of time. Sage 500 ERP version 2014 has a new process available that greatly simplifies making corrections. Regardless how careful you might be when applying payments and memos, eventually someone will make a mistake and misapply a transaction. To correct this kind of error, you ended up adding credit memos and debit memos and manually applying them to reverse the effect of the misapplied transaction. There's a new task available in accounts receivable that makes it a one-step process to undo these misposted transactions. The incorrect applications are reversed, and the original transaction is available to be applied correctly, all in one step. The new task is called Reverse Applications and is found in Accounts Receivable, Activities, Reverse Applications. Let's see how it works. First, fill out the batch header with a batch number and a post date. I'm working with an old demo database, so we're working in 2008. And notice there are two buttons, one to reverse memo applications and one for payment applications. We're going to start with reversing a credit memo that was applied to these two invoices, 1009 and 1008, but it was intended to be a correction for invoice 1114. 1009 is closed, and 1008 has $215 applied to it from Credit Memo 1115. Let's reverse the application of Credit Memo 1115. First, we go to look up our customer, Aldebaran, find the memo that was misapplied, identify which transactions we want to reverse. In this case, both. We want to reverse the application to both of those invoices. We'll post the register. And I'm using a PDF printer, so we'll see a couple of screens pop here that you wouldn't normally see. And waiting for the post to complete. And now we go back and look at our BIE view, do a refresh, and we see that our Credit Memo 1115 has a $5,000 balance, and that the two original transactions where it was applied have now been reversed by two additional transactions. And invoices 1008 and 1009 are back to their full value, 108, 1009, back to their full value, and both are open. That's pretty nice. Next, we want to look at reversing a payment. In this case, we have a payment that was applied to the newest invoices for this customer instead of the oldest invoices, and that is skewing our aging, and management is complaining and wants it corrected. So this one payment was applied to 10 invoices, and we're going to reverse that so it can be applied correctly. Again, create a new batch, enter our post date, identify the customer, unit rent, find the item to reverse, our August payment, and select all to reverse all the transactions. I could leave one or multiple unapplied or applied and not reversed. Register and post. And refresh our view, and we see that our our cash receipt has unapplied $120,000. If we look at the details for this, we'll see that we had 10 transactions originally, and then 10 adjustments, 10 reversals of those applied transactions. That's it. Simple, fast, powerful. Reverse applications is a terrific addition to Sage 500 ERP.